Hey guys, it's Courtly Cole. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, those are some pretty old dip powder nails that need to come off. So with this quarantine going on, there's no way I was going to be able to go to the nail salon. So I figured, why not do it myself? So I first started off with shaving down the first layer of the nail, and that is where like the shiny part is, so that it would be easier for me to take off. So I'm pretty much mimicking what I see my nail tech doing every few weeks, and that's taking a cotton ball, and from there I'm soaking it with nail polish remover and then wrapping my nail with foil. So far so good, right? So this is the part where I'm like, okay, I'm done with my left hand. Let's try and do the right hand as well. Psych, there's no way I would be able to do that. One, because it's my left hand, and two, with foil. So as you can see, this is me struggling. And then I eventually say, yeah, forget it. When I tell y'all I sat here for a good 25 minutes and nothing was coming off, that's when I just decided to text my nail tech and ask, how the hell do I get this dip powder off my nails? Alright, so take two. I texted my nail tech and she said that I should be using 100% acetone and not nail polish remover. Although nail polish remover will work, it's gonna take hellas. And I was already sitting there for like 45 minutes, so I was just completely over it. I took 10 cotton balls, and I did 10 because 10 fingers, so 10 cotton balls, I don't know, you get it. But anyways, I took the cotton balls and then I soaked them with the acetone, and then from there I just put my fingers in it and just massaged my fingers just constantly, and you're about to see, it actually worked. Ooh, look at those clean nails. Oh my gosh, I was so happy to get those off. They took forever, but that's what happens when you think you know what you're doing. Even though I go every couple weeks, I still don't know what the heck I'm doing. But anyways, at this point, I'm just cutting down my nails because I don't know when the next time I'm going to be able to go to the nail salon is. So I wanted to make sure they were short. And to me, once I took the dip powder off, they were pretty long. So definitely wanted to cut those and shave those down. So after washing my hands, I'm going in with some more nail polish remover just to make sure my nail is completely clean. Now to the fun part. These are press-on nails by Kiss that I got from Walgreens. Shout out to the Gold List for recommending press-ons as something to try. This is definitely a new thing for me, and I figured during quarantine, why not try these? They seem very easy and it's not that much work. They're only about $9, and they came with the glue, the nails, even a small nail file, and some other thing that I don't know, but it's like a pointy thing. I'm assuming it's for the cuticle, but I didn't even use it. The most time consuming part about all of this was trying to find the nails that fit your size nail, and I can't see that well, so the little numbers, it was just kind of hard to figure out, okay, I see 10 for this finger, let me find the other 10, but now I gotta go through all these other nails to try and find it. But once I figured that out, we were smooth sailing. By the way, I did buff my nails with that pink nail file that you see in the frame. I did that, and then I lined up each nail that I knew fit my nails in order. And from there, I used the glue that was provided in the kit and put it all over my nail. And from there, I would hold it down for about 3 to 5 seconds. I mean, sometimes I'd probably hold it down a little bit more, but just to make sure that it's stuck. And then I would move on to the next nail. Okay, we're almost there. So the nails are on, they look good, but they're a little too long for me. They might not be long for you, but they were definitely long for me. And for those to be small, I probably would have passed out if they were mediums. But what I ended up doing was cutting them down and just shaving them so that they could feel a little bit more comfortable to me. Like I said earlier, I really want these to last, and the way my hands are set up, I would have popped one of those off within like 20 seconds. I must say these press-ons were super easy to apply, and they were only $9. You can't beat that. I think I did pretty good. What do you guys think? For my first time especially, come on. I know I did pretty damn good. Anyways, I think you guys should give these a try. You can get them at Walgreens or Ulta, and honestly, we have nothing but time. So go ahead and get you some press-ons, and I'd love to see them. Anyways, thanks for watching. Talk to you guys later. Bye.